Myself Renuka, I am Commissioner for City Corporation Davanagere. My city, largest 7 city of our Karnataka, 6,15,000 population for population and 68.63 kilometers per there in our city in area. City Davanagere comes from the word Davana and Kere, meaning village of lakes. Davanagere city is the Manchester of Karnataka in our Karnataka state. Because of major lands is cotton in area at our city and art of Karnataka because of centricity for Karnataka in Davanagere city. The community is a strong well. We have a well established smart city urban infrastructure and other education system 1000 plus education institutes here in our city and good governance and health care system also good and economy also our city is good. But we have a city have a ambition vision for a zero waste management system, single integrated system, myself, various department, and we are involving inventories groups and city citizen also Davanagere city. We are hands and joined working towards the vision. $1 million will be crucial in our nation to be rollout of revolutionary landmark integrated solid waste management system, which is the first. It is a kind of the nation reduce greenhouse erosion and provide clean air environment for the people of Davanagere, making the city most livable and happiness city for Davanagere. Thank you.